Are you a handyman looking to upgrade your tool collection? Get ready to discover the ultimate list of 19 must-have tools that will take your DIY game to new heights. From powerful cordless vacuums to precision sanding planes and heavy-duty nibbling tools, this comprehensive guide covers all the essentials every man needs for tackling even the toughest projects with ease. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these tools will become your go-to companions for a lifetime of successful repairs, renovations, and creations. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to becoming a true master of tools. Bending pipes and tubing neatly is a frequent need for any HVAC, plumbing, or refrigeration job. This handy Raver tube bender makes that task much easier for handymen. It can bend soft pipes from 1/4 into 7/8 in outer diameter up to 90 degrees in either direction using the ratcheting action. 7 interchangeable diases accommodate common pipe sizes. A reverse bending tool helps access tight areas. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it resists deformation. The long handle provides excellent leverage while the compact head fits into cramped spaces. A pipe cutter and deburring accessories are included. This comprehensive kit simplifies complex pipe bending work. Sometimes your hands need to go closer while picking up debris from confined corners with a vacuum. That's why Stihl C20 comes in handy. It's a compact, cordless hand vacuum that provides easy access into hard-to-reach spaces and has a lightweight design to maneuver with comfort. On top of that, the C20 comes with various nozzles and offers strong suction power, meaning no single specks of dust can save them from it. Thanks to its rubberized handle, you'll get the desired comfort when in use. Even the overhead operations are no longer a headache. No time to explain, bathroom cleaning in a traditional way tends to bring out your grime face. But with this Black & Decker ScumBuster Pro, you can easily get rid of those hassles. It's a multi-surface scrubbing tool that comes with a charging stand and allows you to clean messy bathrooms without coming face-to-face with them. In terms of performance, this scrubber features an oscillating head that efficiently cuts through all the stubborn grime and scum. Meanwhile, the extendable telescoping pole lets you clean floors and high areas with ease. The ScumBuster Pro turns your grime face into a happy one. Now here's something that is made for professional carpenters. This Milescraft 1620 sand plane is an ideal solution for all kinds of detail sanding jobs. No matter which type of surface you encounter, this sanding tool will stand beside you to bring out the best outcome possible. Surprisingly enough, this little sander features 4 sanding profiles, meaning you can effortlessly deal with individual projects. Plus, the 5 inches hook and loop and ergonomic grip will make sure you get the best way of sanding. Not just that, the combination of Vevor, convex and concave profiles is surely going to live up to all pros' expectations. When it comes to climbing a ladder, you don't love to carry a tool holster every time. Keeping that in mind, Little Giant has designed this supply bin which keeps easily attached to any standard ladder while keeping all your essentials nearby. This loot box holds almost everything: tools, gear, kit, or whatever your project demands. Make sure you securely attach it at the top of your ladder, and all your items will be in safe hands. If you're the kind of a person who doesn't love to climb up or get down a ladder back and forth, maybe this loot box is the thing you most need. Utility locating tasks cut a huge time from your work hour, right? What if you got something that helps you get that done in mere time with the most accurate results? Meet Ridgid SR24, a reliable utility locating instrument that's very easy to use and maintains pinpoint accuracy while locating. However, this tool comes in a handy design, meaning you no longer have to endure any fatigue while operating for a prolonged time. It has up to 30 feet of locating range and shows the position, direction, and depth of utility precisely, and the audible sound alert instantly notifies you after every detection. Although it seems like a regular anti-cutter knife, but has amazing versatility that differs it from standard ones. The Kappic CIC universal knife has a slim shape and multiple non-slip gripping positions that allows precise work. Meanwhile, the durable magnesium construction feels so light, yet withstands the toughest. However, It features an innovative, invariably extendable stabilization bar that eliminates all kinds of injury while involved with busy tasks. This anti-cutter knife is suitable for standard 18mm blades, plus the heavy-duty blade. 2 separate sliders and reliable blade holders make it an ideal cutter in class. Don't get fooled by its size. This AEG high-press inflator features all the needed technologies and equips a powerful motor to inflate all the light to medium-sized tires and queen-size camping mattresses in minutes. The best thing about this little guy is it allows you to set the pressure you need to prevent overinflating issues. With a rotatable digital display on top, it shows clear readings even in direct sunlight. This inflator runs through your cigarette lighter socket. Hold on, they're a built-in LED light too. Dark and dim areas are not a reason for hassle. Unar Roof 700. It's a fully automatic welding machine that effectively welds thermoplastic membranes on all flat roofs around 500 square meters and slightly inclined ones. You can tackle a variety of tasks like bitumen welding, pitched roof membrane welding, pool waterproofing, thin plastic film welding, and many more. The best part of this tool is you can observe multiple welding profiles on the dedicated Mirror app. Thanks to the included monitored welding assistant, the Unar Roof 700 monitors the welding process and warns you if any unwanted action happens. Control every welding job and maintain the highest quality. While lifting heavy manhole covers, you need to keep a sturdy tool to get the job done. So here's the Easy Lifter from the FF system. These lifters are designed for professional road maintainers who often meet lifting tasks of big, thick manhole covers. Each of the lifters has up to 300 kilograms of weight lifting capacity, meaning if you get 2 of them, you can easily lift manhole covers of around 600 kilograms of weight. On top of that, they provide a lifting height of up to 180 millimeters. With special plastic coating under the side and thermoplastic rubberized wheels, they protect the manhole cover's finish and coverings. Removing grease, grime, and dirt without any chemicals is probably the best way to keep your essentials safe, but you need an efficient tool to rely on. This Wagner 925E Elite is an absolutely chemical-free steam cleaner that dissolves all the stubborn dirt and grease with the help of pressurized high-temperature steam. It continuously runs for 40 minutes after a fill and comes with 20 different accessories for different surfaces. This steam cleaner is perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, grills, and approximately every kind of surface you meet daily. Wait, it can even steam wrinkles for clothes too, meaning the Wagner 925E is the safest way of cleaning. Now, have you ever been involved in a difficult or dangerous metal cutting process? If yes, then you should get yourself this Cannibal Professional Nibbler tool to stay away from all those hazardous situations. It comes with a patented cutting action designed to make countless cutting jobs. And the fun part begins when you can fit this nibbler perfectly with any standard drill you have. Not just that, it allows you to handle almost all types of materials with precision. This Cannibal Nibbler tool not only makes your task effortless, but also gets the most fun out of them. Every automotive worker knows the benefits of an impact wrench. That's why they strive to get the best one available. This is the Ridgid Torque Impact Wrench, an ideal solution for loosening or tightening lug nuts, large bolts, and rusted fasteners in a safer way. It features a powerful motor that has a huge 900 Newton-meters of breakaway torque to handle even the most stubborn nuts and bolts. Plus, the handy design and cool ergonomics allow you to maintain stability between job and job. On the other hand, the built-in LED work light helps you get to proper illumination for poor weather conditions. There's no doubt some wood workers still rely on hand saws to get the most precise and accurate cut. They can never go wrong with these H-Tours hand saws. Each of the saws comes with an ergonomic 3-compartment handle for utmost control and has an eco-friendly wax coating that gives less friction and power-consuming side vibrations. Thus, your every cut will achieve the pro quality. With 3 different teeth sizes with 3-phase grinding, these hand saws let you get an accurate cut, spending a little time. Hold on, you will also get 45 and 90 degrees angle guide for demanding situations. The next tool on the list isn't a tool actually, This spider tarantula is a heavy-duty hole saw that combines speed, versatility, and long life. It offers you a 50 times longer service life than regular ones. It eliminates carrying multiple hole saws around the job site since it can cut through nearly every material like wood with nails, steel, stainless steel, or even a cement fiberboard. Thanks to the rapid core eject arbor system, this hole saw makes core removal easier and saves both your time and effort. One single saw, hundreds of solutions. The 80W ceramic heating element rapidly heats up and maintains a precise constant temperature from 180 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius. Automatic sleep and temperature memory modes conserve energy. The clear digital display shows the exact temperature for optimal control. The cool anti-cold handle provides a comfortable grip. This compact lightweight driver is extremely portable and easy to use. Just plug and play. You can rely on it for soldering electronics, jewelry making, appliance repairs, and so much more. Every handyman needs a durable, organized tool storage solution like this Integrate rolling chest. Made from sturdy powder-coated steel, it's built to withstand tough job sites. 8 sliding drawers of varying sizes provide ample storage for all your tools and accessories. Detachable top and bottom sections allow separating the chest as needed. For swivel casters, 2 with brakes, make it easy to roll the heavy chest around the workspace. Interior liners protect your tools from scratches. Multiple handles give you a solid grip when lifting the top box. This high-capacity chest keeps everything secure yet portable and within reach for maximum efficiency. As a handyman, having an accurate digital level is crucial for properly aligning surfaces and components. This Rise Pro level can measure absolute angles or relative angles between 2 planes. The clear backlit display shows measurements in different units like degrees, percent, millimeters, meters, inches, or feet. Its strong magnetic V-groove base lets you attach it to cylindrical or curved metal surfaces with ease. The hold function freezes measurements for convenient reading. Audible buzzers indicate when it's perfectly level or plumb. From setting cabinets and counters to aligning ductwork, this versatile level ensures every installation is square and level for professional-looking results. Okay, so that was the list of the 19 tools every man should own.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.